popcorn for a movie night. There you go. That will tell you the right pretzel. Oh, it's done. Okay, let's take off this tape. Okay, let's try the popcorn. Put the popcorn inside. Put the popcorn in. Put it inside. Yeah. There you go. Now we close it. Now we push the popcorn button. This one. Popcorn. Now push start. Boink. It's ready. Who wants popcorn? I'm starving. Zoe, do you think you can make me some soup? Do you think you can make me some soup? Yeah, I'll have soup, please. Open it. And I'll have some soup. Soup and chocolate. Everyone wants soup and chocolate. Yay! You did a great job. Yay. Should we get the rest of your mini toys? Oh, you want me to play with it? Okay. Alright. Let's get the rest of your mini toys. Popcorn's ready.